Badwam Adom TV medical catcher say Badwam Bronya nkomo no enya asem keto ye betena se ya na na wunim me nua ba yi mahwe na na no ne kasa na me hwe na msi abayo yi ba bi afri de ufri me a osaye me na nanso se ye ka boat ma de na ye se boat ma de me na prekope ye fantido odewu
goso he
ye I think come say ho
yes yeah
line I feel say na ntafo ne namu
na Debi to was
na sanya wo nko na
Bronye say anya careful a bebeka bia obabom ti brother tetia
enti ayinam dem kan dem pe
Debi
timenka bi foforo na fese se na enkwatenta hodin wom na wasi wodan
na be atom cars Range Rover kind of Munsa Markeson, brother.
Maybe I'm defined as when you say.
Becca Hawker.
Bronya. Send a near
okay, it's a Bronya, what's in your day? One ma, when one Japan, Costa was Bronya and Bronya, I don't know. Sikabia and you won't go to come. Metro,
okay.
Now, one sa, Sikaro won't go to come no. Once when anyone J cry, won't wait.
Hey,
aha. Tase.
Me yati asomna.
Tase. Into no one more happen with the score no. When you're happy. Into no one you wadwina was spend.
Almost spend.
Now one ma wo peda was spend no. We are very happy. But no money.
Why call? It has a Bronya is something which is there.
Why call? But say echo marketplaces now. The day me who videos Cantamanto. Human traffic Kenya some kakwaba. Ghana for the baby I see niska nso no safi no dra the mo say
be sika ni shibia
ye be ye pwe
ama say ma me bi crowd the ba 2 months ama show ni ade mo yesu wagu ankasa
Jesus
mete no from him say
akwana na is too bad this is
nkoko crisis nkoko station ni pegu a omunya ka akranfa emfa nkomo enkran ni kumasi.
Wow. Unto no see
you be din komo but me be din komo ye ni anwomtofo akukudam omo nso afei na omo ebem enom ni ade nyina no ye betimi edi ene omo edidi enkomo na afei wa frefie
ma frefie
say na niam ekọ mo ho no
onya enya se makra ba sisi ara no say ye fan dey ye hwe ye hwemfo nyi no wo Cape Coast because ho na mi free abi igwe na mi free into no say yehwe infonye twofo Cape Coast ye baka dey sisi ano za na nkata kwade fo no woye no oye fancy dress no masquerade carnivals na azana ye friend fancy dress wo honom no sisi ara no wa be very big wo Cape Coast into no sisi say edu Cape Coast were a lot of carnivals teams groups bebre ahodo ekọ area bia is no ho ekọ area wasanato yankee uzini ze bebre into no day do Christmas won nyina wa ya hobobo apompam ho ntar na aze awo bobo won ho na nso no say mucho for you know what takra this are or every year bia was 25th the new year's takra de menyi embeje chinje ma me menu argument
bia the whole Ghana
25th the new year
let's say takra de
ma me catch 25th 26th and 1st of January takra de ohoro bodo ankasa carnivals no onya sam kakra ba ho Ukromeda.
Asante achimo bogu.
The man. Why na ho?
Mame.
Why na ho?
Sa me no ka say oso otubanche. Onsa asante achim de yan no e kakua ya ho na ntifufuo ne anema mu di nyina ya.
Ka beken. Otubanche. Fufu. Ebi no ya so tete bang.
Mu ye tu no vatiful. Na mame fa awoda pakese pa. Happy birthday. Enkoma ye Adwa Rasta. Ohima wo ye je. Ohima wo ye je. Ohima Mr. Otwedi ampunyankopɔ ba sɛ Adom ne se onhyiraw we efri men koso hene me ne wa unipa ye sisi Carlson a wo Sweden ane de bro na what yankra sɛ uwi a enya den yemra nti no ye beba nso ama wani age nti sɛ de na meka no kwasa nti achi mo bogu sɛ ya ye okuo bi Parliament Club. Omu say no, ma prepare bi say Parliament Day. Inti yenya ye wo ama no ne asante achem both south ne ade nyina no ye ba ho. Enwumanyum aniema na ekoso di me hwe ya na say awe na mo siasa afi niema sika ni kromi.
Sika o krom.
Sika o Ghana.
No sika no. when you're happy.
What do you cause one like
what happy also when you seek
because programs say koso.
Oh yes.
Because we share a free I'm say 21st back not amunina ye program
made in Tadi say share videos ye ho into the videos na ye as a channel panin no as at 10 a.m. not akwade fuji na wonando where you made in Tadi concert Kofi Kinata salutes respect masa this is crazy nipa into no takwade say you made in Tadi ni we pede na chede ye buedo Bronya na ye den into no menu ka say o tomato la
o tomato say
into no mama quickly mama shout out ma Yankees the Yankees ekọ second year sikada na na me belong to Yankee for no
okay
na yan jido nyi de obiara ye baron
no
e kada Yankees no obiara jido de obiara ye baron into me ka jido mom Yankees
sa then so na mo baron be na mo ye no baron be ye ka baron dia say kai say nipa na oba ne hu say yeah e de ni mo baron mo dey fanti di mo chi o Obiara
ya baron into no momo one shout outs because me there on china obopwe 26 obopwe new year so obopwe mizimu wa ha mizimu wan kana ha zzzz into no oba na muso na one more acquaintu no wa be fie
yes
into ian bronya ze oya big ma here
Ghana nkasa no nim hwe edu bronya unim se bronya be se ya yesi January mu a no obi a chance ye 20 ticket
no car
ma me ka eboa me twa me ticket am de ba Ghana
eton later
ebe betimi ato asase
eton later
uto no late uto na year December say airline no mo say as December no Ghana the whole world them say Ghana na yedi bronya wa
next December but
hey obi me party from 7 to 7 hey say near me ekoso omonso a afro na ebe 2025 ebe ko na wi ye no ma wo nso doso
nyabotar so mo ho na yembo e phone lines no into bia no bi rehwe hen nkomo ye yerizi oyin de operos na no tumu bi yembo e phone lines no ato honom yemo wakwenya join hen ma yenzi nkomo wo bronya na reason dan ska wo kotokum enye happy anade happy ska wo mo tibia no frɛ ame menye nkoso hen etina ha ye twetwe nkomo na chemu fa kire hen ati ye pede ye interested ana ye interested
papa pese me pese mi hu se de ebinumu edi o mu bronya no so mi se na mi hu so papa
okay
because as me di bronya wa ha che da bia mu di wie be 31st na ma ba be ginam
but I say e baba no na ye ze
but em from any bomb me be 3 days ago I'm say what a bronya
about from there about from
anya say almost say Hamatano that be say me pie ya fe me hu ye me I say me say hey
afi bronya no na oida Hamatan no why na adwendo rombo into no later na Jacob or catch Jacob ni Abraham reason come na we if do December bia Hamatan ba na Abraham's hwe no bro na Abraham na kasa father Abraham so na ho poni bo efu hen kakra ntin nko man Hamatan na Abraham so father Abraham anti father Abraham na ja last minute nti tu mu last minute decision na wo man Hamatan was na wo ho na wo ho
do bada be for phone lines no
phone lines no wo fan to do o ma hen na yentum na yenyi ho na ntwetwe nkomo mu ref numbers
me basa brochi phone is ebi frɛ woni basa brochi bronya nye de
de mehu
ma menye de
ebe na nyacha wona we enjoy you snow na azi
na snow
ebe free Thanksgiving wo baba ye Halloween
na there be Thanksgiving in US for pen
okay international US pen away
US pen Thanksgiving
okay into no one bronya was starting when
bronya they said they Ghana mo start bronya ya na obe chefie o chefie bi o asori bi nom ne ade no onamfofo no mo hia wo fie on se ntese Ghana na ba bia be fa bia for the pape ha na e pape ha na utimi bowura ha utimi fa ha utimi on dem on ntese sa na away me no ka say ya why e bo US abonten so snow a eto no ma me na bronya be de na yede So eti abroche for no e be say na mo frɛ na mo nka mo experience
mo number no 0302 711 and 2117024 mamusa na mo number ni bi no 0302 2117024 fra here na yenye won twetwe nkomo wo ha de nti no na erbaka de wo be free ha bokọ no e ka ho won ma
meti match dem
papa e ka ho uhonum a wo be no na yen guess no bebre nyinsan
say ya de papa
mama ka se mincho iraba se rehwe manyima ne pay a
em say mankind e wo so mankind yemo akwa ba mankind not yanka
Badwam Bronya.
Na bibi aboko de e hira ka se free
Ka se free ala mbele mankind.
Yo mankind ntie we.
Mamintia the fancy dog. Ana pa we de mo bojuma nyamisham. Bronya ne de ase anyaba de ebedi nkwa ne nya fe. Nkwa ene nya. No na e de ya de nyina. Di kakra me kam se me de Bronya ne de mi ni wa no wa kodi bua.
Hey, na we.
Wana me father.
Ayu.
Na up till now na the what na hell ya
so di kakra wa ha o.
In 24 to. In 24 to.
No, Ghana ya well mbele no ya wanzi ma ne kodi bua kwa na bosh nti no. Kodi bua kwa obetu na
ya. Street ma.
Am say tu na ya wasi kodi bua mbwa.
Ya ta say.
Nwa.
Brother ya ta say. Chana pa kwa.
Mamintia chama ble na mintia chama tito.
Yo.
Ndamasi.
Yo. Samuel mo akwa ba.
Hello.
Na bibia ba ko de.
Afrika pa o.
Afin komisa ye hu na aka se free.
Me ka se fi akosommo.
Yo. Enti we. Bronya.
Bibia boko.
O te no.
Me ka se fi akosommo.
E ba cha menti e wo e wo TV ni so. Wo da twe ho kakra man na afi ye no nkasa why?
Yo me ti me atumi ho.
Me da se.
Na as the awokachire who wishi sister shani be a guy who wishi no say afisi say na okitantafo the great the best managing tum
ote fandi da ote
the
when sister Sandy o
and we say V8 no intafo mi no better than V8 no John Gentum afisi say na okita intafo mi no
brother that's ate you watch Mr. Sandy
onim
waja Mr. Sandy Mr. Sandy what so wonderful
mpekasa ena the okay no so no anu no say ye ni wa ni agi no skeni wo motum ena wa wo ska so wo so woni ngie
yo wo de mate ya da se ya da ase pa ari e makwa ba ofrefre ari uti anka Samuel uti anka Samuel. Let me say Samuel.
Okay.
Well, let me say.
Okay.
Na about 8. You be call takrade. Na yakofa na yakofa Sister Sandy.
The boche nyina anye.
You go find Sister Sandy oh na fe. Wo de ye ban na ne nkra na de ama.
Because Sandy bo so ntafunu mu. Na me so V8 mu. Yempekasa bibiezi boko na before I na ever call na mpele mutu nkete esi na fo mo pocho nge time ma esbaka ka pe serious boyfriend ni mami debi dem time won pe serious boyfriend especially say enyi benyin kasa ya na say ihu the accent kakra kan ni no a so what is na ene sister men try agurbezu men try ehu
the other by the new.
The
other by the new.
Young serious boyfriend. Obi sure mommy, I love you, your boy. Ozuli Christmas. Or we pet or bokodu chroma down wager.
Oh, there be.
You cigar that it be news and STD.
Usubana children.
It's in a year body with them, Pacho.
I know the outcome no yard. I know the outcome no yard.
Condoms.
I know the outcome no yard. But so because the mo be and confess serious boyfriend. Hey,
what you make a serious boyfriend or what?
Into on in Cheleka.
In number I'm sitting here for the girls.
It is only one bachelor. Achia. Don't think that.
Like I could bachelor.
Who do bachelor? Are you?
Okay. It's no say Everything na ye jisi pa there. Mpono Christmas mbre ye Jesus na woda. Nti no o Jesus na woda no e ya na e Christopher de ye per Christian songs. Enyom na ye tum na yes I enjoy hearing Christmas no. Nti no fiti I think the about 2 months ago, September me sha se de momo playlist mo ha na ma bro obi a wa bonyom fofor de G na fa ka wo playlist no ho. Na Christmas ye tum na ezi ye. Nti no yet na ha de na ye twetwe nkomodam no. Come on, you to phobia na pum pum. Harry, eka ye ho ha. Harry a gospel musician the Mumbrimu was the new song Abba. The able to na yezi Bronya no na yezi. Harry, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, come on.
Nan Charles on
I want to I
don't speak G.
You don't any no when can I interview?
Obey here papa.
Like okay, I'm not coming to learn some.
You are coming to learn some from where?
From where? Who is going to teach you? We don't have time. But welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Into no e wonyom fufer.
Hey, debut.
E wonyom fufer.
Yeah, I don't understand that one.
You don't understand.
You have a new song?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. Ghanaian.
No, it's a good. Yeah.
Are you a Ghanaian?
No, I'm a Nigerian.
Okay, and on pardon you. Pardon you for that.
Yes, thank you.
I believe next time I'm definitely gonna.
Baby, free by the crown.
Because I'm able to sing some of the Chi songs.
All right. Oh wow.
Let's say like 80% of the Chi
You will sing a Chi song before you leave here.
Before that, let's go and listen to your song. Yanko, abusha yanko ni yanko tie abrantie. Ni new song a odi aba ye ba twon kom. Abusha yeko ekotie Jesus my rock. Jesus my rock. And yekotie ye eno eye minister Harry enti no wa wo hwe ebra ye womin Bronya Brena dia na agenkwa no ho ensem ene na wo mu na ye nenam ye nti osa ye rock dia na ye sampa enwom no about the right time nti na ese etwetwe ho nkomo ne me ne Fantido ba jire wa hatu so on say ono na okasa bia na say you know then mama yes koso koso na koso so how long have you been in Ghana?
Okay, I've been in Ghana for more than 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, but I do go and come.
Okay.
Yeah, I just came back last week.
Okay.
Yeah, I went for a program in Nigeria.
But you stay here?
Yeah, this is my base actually.
You like Ghana that much?
Oh, I love Ghana. You
love Ghana? Why? Yes, because of our jollof?
Yes, one. Yeah, and also the security and safety and all that. I really like Ghana, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you have been here 5 years?
Yeah.
Are you married?
No, please.
Oh, okay. And so which church do you attend?
Okay, the Maker's House.
Oh yeah, because you are not married, that's why you can't speak Chi. That's what she's saying. Hey, say.
Brother.
Me, of course, definitely I'm going to to speak some very
okay, I got you say Bronya Yesu wadan mu an ye wo na Harry so wa haide ti Harry how long have you been doing music?
Okay, I've been doing music since when I was very small.
It seems you're a good boy. Or Harry, is it because you are
Harry is forming
no,
good boy?
I'm not. Actually.
You are not.
I didn't say I'm not a good boy. Okay. Okay, I've been singing since when I'm very, very small, but I didn't know that music is a talent and a gift. So until I think 2008, I discovered that this thing being created to do this thing.
Okay.
And so that's how I discover music. That this is my thing. This is what I'm created for to do. And since 2008, I've been doing music.
Okay.
Be singing or
and why gospel music? You could have just
yeah, that's what I'm destined to do.
That's what you are destined to do.
Yes, please, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Madam, who will be man?
I'm more to hurry and man shut up and say,
why?
Muhu Nigeria no ya calm da. Nigeria for ya calm, Nigeria calm. When you one word.
Nigerians are not calm.
No.
We are calm actually. We are calm.
Why? Patapafu behind you want to say.
You know, don't mind. So put us through your new song, Jesus My Rock. Why? Why Jesus is your rock?
Oh, okay.
I know you are about to say, yeah, because Jesus is...
No. Okay, you know, a lot of challenges and a lot of setback, frustration and all that. So I got the song, I think 3 years ago when I was facing a lot of challenges and all that. So I don't know, I think I was rehearsing then. I just got the song, thinking through all my life. I don't have a father, I don't have a mother, and the way we are struggling.
You don't have a wife?
Yes, and so the song popped in, and I think, no, I think I need to give it to God. He is my rock, He is my shield. So whatever I do is my rock. Whatever I face is my shield. Whatever
give us
I
a
do
cappella.
is my
Give
joy.
us a cappella. Let me feel your voice.
Jesus, my rock, my peace, Yahweh. Jesus, my rock, my peace, Yahweh. Jesus, you are my shield, you are my joy, Yahweh. Jesus, my rock, my peace, Yahweh. Every knee shall bow before you and say Yahweh. Every tongue must confess that Jesus is the Prince of Peace. So, yeah.
So how long? Let me quickly ask you this: comparing Nigeria music industry and Ghana music industry, why do you choose to come to Ghana to do music?
Okay, actually, because I have, should I say, since I came to Ghana, I've been really blessed with a lot of songs. I think the song that really took me was Jometa's song.
Okay.
Yes, so yeah. Though I didn't know the meaning at that time. Okay. The song really blessed my soul. And I said, oh, no. If I must do music, I think I need to start from here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I need to start from here. So Jometa has been my mentor. I've been following him, and so far so good.
Okay.
He has been blessed.
And they have received. How is like Ghanaian receiving your song? Is it going on well?
Well, yeah, so far,
feedback and everything.
Yeah, so far, yeah. Although people are yet to know me as well, but then again, so far so good.
So you call yourself a Ghanaian or Ghanaian Nigerian?
No, exactly.
Ghanaian Nigerian.
No, okay, Nigeria Ghanaian.
Nigeria. Right. I was here. That's all you are. You had to say and come over. You know you move for about Jesus, my rock. Abranti Nigeria ni our better Ghana. Me fan say in fear or in fear inum enia oba better krum and oba you know. Ha na obehu say enyom to eye na dwuma otwedi ampunyankopon de ato na koma so na ye nua be ma Jometa ye obi a ono na ohwe ne pa ne nyom mu ne ade nyina no o didi na namu achi a enne ode abedu ba bia ode adui na menim fanti do ase abrantie bi so mpeso one de be kasaw na na do
what is nkomo
what one is nkomo
what is nkomo intino me enjoy conversation
enjoy conversation no. So can you sing in Twi?
Yes, please.
You can sing in Twi, and do you understand the words?
Yeah, what I do, once I'm able to learn the song, I'll just ask for the meaning.
Okay.
So that for me to sing with a better understanding.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I do.
Do you have a song in Twi, like?
Not yet. I'm working.
Or Fanti or? No,
I'm working on that for my personal song.
Okay.
But when it comes to the Ghanaian songs, some of them I do sing, some of them like
what
that.
has on to it?
So which song can you sing for us? Ghanaian song. I want to hear you sing Ghanaian song.
A lot. I can just sing anyone you want.
Okay, just do something for me.
Okay. Erade wahinisu, erade utumisu. Yes we wana di use. Obiarani obiasini na yehudi.
That's good. That's a good
Midi bemao, makuma yehudia, midi bemao, osayi yeswe, midi bemao, makuma yehudia, midi bemao. Wonye.
Hey!
Wonye
ma.
Go.
David Mashempo.
Hey! Oh. And you understand
the mention all your sign. Me didn't Jesus all your side. Mumbra meshenu all your side. Nyamye. Me didn't Jesus all your side. Bo. Mumbra meshenu. Ai foini. Ese so biara kotono. Mumbra nesu. Moshene ni munya.
you chose like nice songs, the old songs. Yeah. Oh wow! And you understand the meaning, you know the meaning of the lyrics and everything. Yeah, are you doing any project with other gospel musicians, Ghanaian gospel musicians?
Not yet, but I'm looking forward to do.
You are looking forward to do. Who? Yeah. If you are looking forward, who is in your mind? Jometa.
I'll be so glad. And Luigi McLean as well.
Have you met him before?
Yes. I met him 2018.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah.
2018.
Yeah, and he prayed for me.
He prayed for you.
Yeah. I told him the love I have for him, and I've been following him since I heard that. So and he prayed for me, and since then everything began to make sense in my music ministry. Actually,
where do you attend church?
The Makers Chapel
International. Sharp. The Makers.
Where is it? Where?
TMH, Atomic.
I don't know. I don't know that.
It's a very beautiful church. It's a beautiful church.
Pastor Ibrahim. Good.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. So you sing there?
Yes, I do.
You part of the choir or?
Yeah, I'm part of the choir.
Oh, okay.
And I'm part of the worship team as well.
You are part of the worship team.
Yes, please.
You are not going to Nigeria anytime soon.
No.
You are enjoying Ghana. So your final words.
One way and handles, social media handles.
Yeah. Do you have social media?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
So and where we can actually go and watch your new.
Okay, you can search on it on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
Under which name?
By Harrison Ife.
Okay.
Harrison Ife.
Okay.
Jesus My Rock by Harrison Ife.
Okay.
Yeah, you see it there. And my Instagram handle is HARROII_ME, which is Harry Me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then Facebook is Harry Mistral. HARRY, then Mistral. Right. Okay. Then Twitter, the same HARROII_me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if someone wants to book you, that's the place that the person
can you can actually contact me there.
I was hearing this person Abranti ni munyam for your tia wa to nwumi obese o to nsa frɛ no mane ba eye wa asɔre na obeto nwom wo ho enso a do you have your phone number or your manager's number that you can
Yeah, my number is on the platform.
On the platform.
Yeah,
or say
Instagram.
Can you mention it? Like
okay, it's a foreign number.
It's a foreign number. Yeah. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, +234 80 629 55067.
Another time.
+234 80 629 55067.
Okay. Thank you. Enti abusuya ne number na ode ato edwa no ene de me pie ya na producer ampedu o ma me tea papa bi ni ade ne brofo a mehwie gu ha no bigiri yesa Abraham a ma mete ho no wo stress was here awurade me bay di brofo na de o me no be kwa bonte be mu ne be ye enti no ene Harry na ye ne no twetwe nkomo e wo ne nyum tuo mu wo no so a kyerɛkyerɛ oye Nigeria ni enti obo no homodin bia se Ghana enso obetena ha na watena ha papam na yebeda ne ye ho abasisi a yeba abrantie ni monyamfo bi a wote anwum we gwe yebeka no ho asem Krymi ene ne no ebehwehwe enkomo yetwa ye ho abasisi a sima
yes Lord.
Wonya group on otimi hata banch wo poasema ne wo. Wono ene otimi to dawa wo pum. Na yi wansan no tutu wo forest mu so na kum pata. Onye ni pa to asa. Wono ena fi ode yankwanyina ode ye bibia kye. Enti wono na onim say okuti okoba bi mu kra na. Ose enwom keke fa yi na ye. So atiase ye. Enti enwom ya ade bi a me da bia me ka say yeni sabi ewiase nwom ene eni asore nwom. So atiase fisi wo nwom bi wo hwa enwom no ensem ewo mu no ena kire ba bi ese wo de to. Fisi utie ensem bi ebu ye wo odo ho nwom. Ye wo nwom a ye to edi nyame aye. Ye wo nwom a ye di tufo. So atiase enti ye wo nkranhya nwom. Enti eni nwom a obi wa se enwom we de me nim Nanti ya you circular for ya. Omo nyum ye nya beto no so dem. And so bi ho na so afre no so. So ati ase. Enti nyum ya a form of communication bi a ye de kasa kire Nyankopon.
Yeah.
Wo hye wo dem kura wutimi to nyum na se hunhun bi aba edem ho. Odwen ho a won ti ase enti nyum de. Ni titu ni odo ho nyum. Me de aye ne mapen. So ati ase. Enti what dey me dey kire.
Hallelujah somebody. One for correction.
That's one no. Enti e was am akwa ba biem. Adom TV so. Badwam Bronya nkomo eni yedie. Enti na nkomo ho pa e bedi nkomo. Na wa pom te sen.
Boko and Madam Ahosepe, at least this your prestigious show. Most of them abaso. Yamisha will be Madam Ahosepe.
Yes, you know what. Member don't want to.
Na ase ye koni nkubusa nya fe de bebusa Krymi hwani obi anim wo.
Yes.
Na ase wo jira wo system nim kakra bi ase ni ehu mi hu se wo UK. Dam kwadam nim se bia wako for stay dey na see here.
I think say Obianim transition from Krymi if we label him to be an independent artist. And is because the contract na ye one na AC. And transitioning from there no, I felt I need to learn certain things. Now say Misia be about the music business because Mr. T music as a greenhorn. A greenhorn, I'm saying somebody who didn't understand certain details about business.
And I say, Mranti mo ba betra ina so me good boy be. As a Krymi, ye hwan nwum a woto. Ani nsem a wonwum ani ayi friend say rame pa cha papa trust ye na kasa ye na so
I want them to see everything and hear everything.
Sana person say dan na mo enu ni adi na ehun komuni.
But you need to learn the business for yourself because so we are artists now. One so we wow business. So one thing you might be a say one here what to sneak crack. And I think the ni na mu no ka edin ye no mu quietness na mu no nyina na e ka ho
bi ho
adisia connections na dey. I will say ni party me drew level bi a ye tin ye na say ni ye mfa ne say hobby keke na bibi because me say it's my life. This is what I'm doing. On me person me the way I need to understand it.
Okay.
So me tia see ko deep na me say okay. Say na abrafo ne ye na almost etimidi see. Nti say na me so me ye na.
What try ko UK say ko sua de. Ko sua something about music. Connections normally are
get
producers normally
exactly.
Record labels normally
are there. Even some of the artists have some features here and there.
Okay.
As time goes on,
all this while na yent won kan yina no record.
Me record. This time with the 4 songs na ba.
Wow.
Yes, and the 4 songs was spread within this year. The beginning of the year no, me back be a friend tonight.
Okay.
And that's my first ever song after the label.
Okay.
Metimaka said that's my first song released by me.
Okay.
And I do have a team too I work with.
Okay.
Yes, and ekweche no mebo bi.
You remember honum na. Me say me hu ekwan ben so na Kewa e discover.
Na a TV reality show called MTN Hitmaker. 2017 I think. Yes. Them time na went for the show and Kewa e discover me.
Okay.
On that show.
Okay. Yeah, baby, ahomatrofo na tum na afi ko sign bi a wo a obese wo dibusa ye nua be me no na won so wabusa koso nyina so na ye hwehwe enkomo fam abranti bi a onye nipa foforo oye nipa dada a ye nim no pa ewo enwum to adwuma ni mu enti ye hwehwe adan na contract ni wuye no we decide say obe film obi wo baka so woodie na so me ne label ni ba ye adwuma.
Abrafo say na mutual agreement.
Okay.
And to send you be a adwuma upon no. Uko school kra na uwi. Senke law school anke apam ya makoba kra dada. Enti you get to the point where who say okay, sisi ade wasua de utimi gina wona so because sisi am a producer. I produce my own music too.
Ni na usua no ke wa ho.
Me sua wo different producers are many omo ye adwuma no.
Okay.
Nti ebia ke wan so no oye bibi na obusa na obeka kire. Obia obusa na say pacho we eden a obekire wo no. And most of the producers are many of me Beats God, Beats Vampire, Lawrence, Gigs, Omunina, Street Beats, and
Nuntia, and Wina, or the Adom.
And I'm there, Adom. I don't know, so that the man, I don't know the other Dom, so Abro, so, in the young Korean Kotiadom. Yes, now, or don't follow so dumb, yes, I be more. Yes, we had the Yakaba hits. My TV reality show, man, do finals. Man, we need.
And so more, we need.
I don't. Inti, just to encourage Obia say. Yo. Say, more TV sweet. Say, more baby. Say me cost, say me release the album, whatever. I don't.
Yo. And see, you be a phone lines no atum. Some may be atu bubeti me afre na also. What busa Krymi? The opposite busa ni biya. So say, if we shall pan some and over the manner, ubeti me the amano. Se kosin bia bebubusa ni bia se say the opesa oni ni din komo bia no obetimi ene no edi enkomo enti ye interest sisi a mimi hu say after friend is saying dwe no ebe ma no the day ni di kan ewura so na dwe no ebe to aso de koye after dwe no name say mo break here no na me boa
party base so by
party base
my mention a day how many songs in a year under Kewa
me here today 7 songs because me here the day toffee gay party bay so them fine me here naughty and no feelings.
Okay, and the you mean you ask your hit song for?
The mean you
no feelings.
Yes.
The mean you know.
Yeah.
Into no, the mean you mean you hit songs.
Yeah.
Now, actually, within a space of how many years singing?
5 years.
Okay. Now
after what my ban I'm say Solomon e wa homa ne so ntino. Solomon e mo akwa ba Adom TV Badwam Bronya nkomo so.
You got your when you did wrong, but Sylvester.
Yo, Sylvester. Yo, Kafra Sylvester, are you not free?
And Castle Fanko.
Yo, me and you.
But so say the book Krymi about so far, especially in Jum and the first song in a chair. When it's your
Yo.
And I say, remember, I don't win a Pishapa and on no Supreme so. Mbana Pishapa I tell the same done a farm, but not giddy.
Oh, how the okay na.
Mon can be being
Sylvester, but that's be brave. I mean, shall be brave. Say, what Peminuma from 5 years ago? Okay, we're in the 7th year, 7 years ago till now. Me person me kase I mean, shall be brave. Na koso support Krymi, cause new one say ba, and now shall be.
Yo, yeah, that's say Eric over you so Eric, you want to about na cause free.
Yeah. Hey, I'm also a car about
I think come to you. Krymi wa. The person catch Krymi bia wa ye ka do ti o.
Oh, and no more way onye na mpano ye bona baso. They dey okono anti ye onye na.
Yo.
Mate Brian, me that's it.
Me je won so me that's it. Yo.
Nko fo e wo achini jump na ni na. Imo bi fi bia fi siapa.
I think come to you. Yeah, that's it. And
my for comfort. Hello.
Okay, you.
Hello.
Hello, comfort what's done?
I hear you.
A friend free.
But you depending on
not so one's pa.
Comfort me that's be comfort. Okay. Now comfort but your friend free him.
Comfort or 10 who TV no do. Into no
conversation. Comfort me who TV no so.
Into no yes someone say a friend na a mute TV no na tum na na kasa wo phone no do. Na nkomo na ye de what asa.
Yeah.
Enti Krymi da so ha obetimi afre na wonso woni na kasa enkranche sem enkomo bi abeso nidi no obetimi afre na wonso woni no edi amre ya yeni ni didi nkomo ewo eye ne nyum tuo mu ene eja nyum o so odi aba foforo nom ne ade yedidi ehun nkomo no na obusa ne bibi
na bibi Sunday in the space of 5 years 7 songs you could be a freaky one time do that before I answer the question, be said the question because Dama questioning why won't kofu wana adwendo ache and why you one mu binom cry ehia hona they don't want to talk about it and me pede in the young clear there ebi enye bibi no see e wo ke wo hono mti na wo nyina wo kwai na ebi enfiri ho why na ezo pay after some time you felt that oh me hu enough me pede me call out there na me nke man pede me
I would say this, and not to give a story. Remember a media story and a BBR. I'm just going to go straight to the point. Straight to the point there. From the beginning of Krymi. The Krymi was releasing one song a year. And or the break in consistency and people were asking Krymi, why aren't you releasing back to back? Now I don't have any control on that because I was officially under a label na contract na de wo ho
be ba cho me ba yemfa ma me ba ko wa ho ma no so ma me yem akwa ba cho ina ka se free
good morning
ma me ina ka se free o
me ka se free takwa
yo takwa fo ho ye de
obia ho ye me ti manya 55 years ba me po ho ye de woni de and man. And a criminal so born me born in your pana, Fantini, no, me penasem. You are all your dear when you know, me baby fan or to me, Tilutu.
Oh, mammy, me that's
a born on so born, me penat, what in a way, me fennica,
the Casas about
Papa, no, and I think what you don't know who tell us we're different. And this one you don't tell me so America. I think
what said you did door when you find on our young Canadian Moody. Now me am cover, you know, because every no me Pachoka Sefe.
Atom Casafe Zima, Inzima.
Yo, Inzima for Krum. Now, Krymi wa how? The other person in command person in Divia.
Person make us me branch, me dana say. I am dana sina me penny no monso.
Yo, mammy me das in the
man person mo bo mammy. Hey, did person mo bo mammy na me.
Mammy what the noise.
Mammy me das be brave and Yami shall so.
Yo, yeah, that's it. The
I wouldn't be able to release any song without the label saying. Ebia, ohon say football to say coach be any strategy. Ebia strategy na not necessarily on fire or fire because Krymi songs were out there. They did their best too. But Ebia sending na Ghana for penny back to back no. Any intimate
okay.
But moving forward, you know, say Krymi is an independent artist with a team. Say we are working on things, and there's no banter, there's no beef, and this time we are trying the back-to-back thing. Ghana for the panel. Into the different songs, different EPs, albums nowadays, just to be able to flood the industry with Krymi music and come back to back. Now, man, for there, Krymi wasn't some one time wonder and went to sleep.
But that's the part that it's not clear. Into no so be our origin na madwin o ni tirim no si say yezi bronya into no ma yezi bronya ho nkomo Krymi is bronya dan
but you bronya na menzi you this is the bronya
I hope from one interview to the other
baby I say on say season e wo mu no wo be kan wadwuma ho nsem kakra ni ahwese de wo nso nkwara brem se de da bronya ni ade ta na wo de bronya bim
me bronya no na me papa. Now those days not the echo Bendam boutique, but changing Bendam boutique.
Hey, of course.
Now Bendam boutique no so nseng wa no so asen.
Okay.
It's not papa the echo Bendam boutique Kumase. But Bronya Bia, I miss him because he makes it special for us. Say a BB kit we be puna. He makes sure say obi enya bibi auntie. I would say may God rest his soul. But moving forward yeah, so we'll see how best we can also reach out to the people and also do our quota to help the people. Into many team, we have Christmas plans.
Okay.
The only thing they say, market on there. I don't want any social media thing.
Okay.
Me, I don't do
exactly.
I don't do things for social media. I met some man in Kumasi because a media tour. Your friend Abro. Also, on only day there, he will go out to the prisons and people that he can help take them out. He will do that. Okay. And I support him. And it's also part of one of our plans.
Okay. This Christmas, you call from prison.
Different.
Okay. Then so Richard is banana. Hey, family, show.
And Pacho, a holiday.
Oh dear. Me the back social media, but no feelings, Mr. I was here. Young Cotier, Krymi, no feelings. Ba, you be the home come. You come here.
Yeah. Oh, back on no. So what you mean? How about you back on no? Baby, na nenti ne back on no. Turn.
Ya jang mo le bokra so de wo sa.
Ya jam basa we na mo ayen. Masa wa mo wate. Yara I come up into no Krymi.
Yes.
Ya cha dan kasa mfa.
Ni new project na.
But before that, Pocho wife show.
Pocho me lawyer say you busa question na intimo nka.
Plead that.
Plead the fifth and I say ebekade. Oh, I can neither confirm nor deny.
No.
Because you pay who they bro you, but you have some plans. Na shada and can
Osho. Can undertone. Osho. Me say you can undertone. Osho.
Into obeka o de kofo obi to asemu. Obedu abonte wono. Na lansa ho. E ho na boot waji weni so. Krymi, you need come on for new projects no.
Yes.
Nyumben na
intimate 4 projects na ebe. Yabo Adom.
Yeah.
We have Tonight, Far Away.
Okay.
And my latest one cry, which is my only amapiano song, my first ever amapiano song. Me I executive produced. My friend Adom, which was like 4 days ago, 5 days ago. Adom, yeah.
Sir, I didn't ask Adom.
Oh, say Adom na so Adom.
Adom na so Adom. What do you say? The baby say we are winning baby. I'm the best.
But the bunu ayo ye. Ehu say sisiara no. First no. Na yen tetofo no. What wonyo ma? What can be, but we're coining in such a way that
exactly.
I rinse or can I say, but in the mouth no, and we jam out what me pay the way or no. The way I your coin as some no, it's here. Or the day you
but
on baby, more can forget.
Lumbasana better you must know where the bed or
me cramming in Matthias.
I saw them no. My capella, I mean, you so them.
I say, in the naughty party, Mokapete, Kotuna. I know that nigga be slim, but he carry your kozuna. Select our careers, go play the tune and make we feel like Zone to Amanda Gaga, make we boogie to retire. Shayo, as soon as I step in the club or the girl, Mado. Shayo, you go feel for waist, you go feel for body, I know. So, Shady say she the want my hand. She the one make a go man handle. London Bukurati, I see him with the bemano. I saw them.
And you don't think I saw them.
I was always saying them.
But you know, them. Asana so you them.
Asana so them. Obana had na so them. And come on, I would dinner so
dem.
And the Anina Yedina, I saw you
Mr. Major, I'm sure to crash so you dem.
And one and some now can so you dem. It will be a system, Nimuana, as there be. And you be saying, I say,
on my brothers be, and my friend video call. I think I did a whole video of it. And I'm at the YouTube. Until I would urge everybody to go on my YouTube page and then see I saw them in the making.
Okay.
I'm a friend and I'm say, me busa I'm say, this time I need a banger. Me here banger. But the industry because the festive season. I'm say I'm a piano has taken over the clubs. Until while crown you only do mid-tempo songs. Until you need to do an amapiano song. And I'm saying, okay, I will take that challenge. I feel I'm here production until I needed help. I spoke to Gigs Beat. I spoke to one guy called Confirm Beat, who did the mixing and mastering for the song. And I want to say big shout outs to Anel Worldwide. Also, I'm a piano, no, log drums nowadays. And it came to a success. The whole in the making is on YouTube. Everybody should go and watch it.
Na yeah, Bronya esusia na enyomtofo mu kokoo season. Shows no when you be able
there are a couple of shows. There are a couple of shows here and there, but I feel me pay more because me pay more.
Oh, pay more.
Yes.
Yeah, when you need echi, no say pay more.
Patcho me pay more.
Nti more mbra.
Na me nya na kakra me pay more.
Oliver Twist.
Nti shows ben dia hin na eda wani mu a e bia wokobo and I said dia hin na wabo before.
For me, we called Kumasi a couple of days ago to do media rounds near there and some 1 or 2 shows. But yeah, back crying day, I feel na a day and details in the management and they would know. When the Omukase Ahana Abena, then we'll go. Maybe Abena, I just go and I give my all. Into me planning, I'm just training and everything, but they would be able to tell me, say, okay, here and there. I ready into Yanko.
Okay. I saw them you know in the making no. Video now ready. Now before that, na near the rapper before that no. On social media handles are ebia omo pese and omo hwe obi okra bia no so for the first time. Watie nwom no but na onim nipa
exactly.
Watimi akofolo nti no social media handles.
Me pacho before me dey to Jan me dey obi biara say obi a frɛ obi a wantimi am frɛ obi a what follow Krymi obi a onim Krymi me do obi bia say omo tie me nwom na omo share na omo ani omo busuafo enjoy across social media me handles here KRYMI Krymi music it's KRYMI now the music account Krymi music on all the social media platforms and I'm YouTube no so fresh into please go on my YouTube subscribe like and share comments. Just be there, be part of it. Me team, they be America there. The team is the people, and I want the people to be part of it. If you have any positive criticism, any ideas, anything, come and share it, and we'll make sure say we'll communicate with you.
Into fans and also to the dancing. Out fans dancing, and I think I'll be
some years ago, me hear poem, and I say they should give me a name. Some people said criminal music. But the fans, they are the creme de la creme, which is the best of the best.
Are you?
And that's where the name came from. The name came from creme de la creme. Okay. Me fa one creme na me and Krymi. Na me try on KRYMI. Into me fans near creme de la creme, so they are the best of the best.
And you better wrap up na could see way, but me last say you say on say label do how free more. Yes, songs I know nyina no untimi mbo. Sa na wo de netia na sa wo de
songs are me nyina me na me try.
Okay.
Songs are me nyina me na me try.
Okay.
Inti I can still perform it.
Okay.
And there's no banter between myself and the label.
Okay.
If you see if you be issues if you be inti normal to have 1 or 2 issues but there's no banter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Into no actually me on me the BB.
Yeah.
Who record label?
Important.
What friend then?
The friend TBL Records.
TBL. Okay.
Yes.
Me who T me who B me who
L. You.
Okay. TBL Records.
Exactly.
Or record one could sing.
But
on cherry baby
we'll get to that point where we'll bring new people in. But per se Krymi Ejina first.
Okay.
If you are entering into a record label, sometimes you need to see their track records. How have they helped the artists, the certain artists there, the current artists, into you can say so okay, so they can do ABCD for us.
All right.
Into right now the focus is on Krymi.
Now you share promotion so. Since you are promotion Ghana, promoting you ma promotion as Ghana had into how are you promoting the songs? TikTok for no as one shame.
Exactly.
Why a dance routine because and then you man I saw be and come as a push I forget
into say and on TikTok, my song today, Far Away, DWP was part of Far Away. A couple of wonderful dancers were part of Far Away. But I think I have indicated the major ones. Some of the influencers too are helpful, and I can say it's all about NEPA. The only tough part in there, right now, everything is expensive. I mean, the pushing music has become very tough. It's because there's so many musicians or even music products flooding the industry. If you want to stand out, it means you have to even do more. You can have the best voice, you can have the best songs, you have to push the best form of promo or marketing to be able to get there, and that's why we are here today. I know Badwam is one of the stations that people watch, the programs that people watch a lot. To push the promo to that level. We are doing our best. And until Christmas, I'm out for the Christmas now. Yeah, Jumano.
But your was the case Christmas. But you have phone here. But you day to night and you spend the time kakra.
I know.
Pay here and there. You pay on can have.
We pay at him, but once in a while.
You find on a typical day, a pedeco can have a fun. You find a year.
Yeah, I'm afraid I can't fat. Oh,
one eye.
Before I can't fat.
Are you?
I'm family pray that.
On found you.
Now, family pray that.
Baby, I kiss
Juma or Juma.
So like.
Oh, Juma, I'm watching.
It's only young corner, young coffee video. No,
but you
ba, Yaka Mamo. Okay.
Into my move on to Guade, Badwam, Yajon one home. Bronya so yes ye no easy ye no ni free bibia ye room mo atum panyi da ye coin ye no show no e ma we suit to Christmas na easy no into no Bronya ye no easy anka zanga e ke da na jiwa bi botira ha go to you bia o china onya sam kakra ba one night stand or ye actors na actresses award no nyinara no o be fi ha de o china mpo no ho no bo host show no
sinitwafo abo sinitwam eti sinitwa
into no into ochina no Yvonne Okoro bo wa ha of Yvonne bo wa ha Yvonne Okoro lovely girl no we fa pa o James Gardner bo ofia ha
also bring jai
James Gardner bo ofia ha de na imagine James Gardner Orkan Sports News
asamasi
na ebi Yvonne Okoro be kan news no notable for I wish contemporary but on the baba tree news into why imagine watching show no yes rich one one night stand or yeah actors and actresses award no obo ofia hade one obo fa dwumezi no nyara ochina wo ofia hade emoji bo wa ha into ochina no onya sam kakra ba members
nyanyom to ko
aha yaba mala entertainment into no ochina ha be da papa after ochina no so girls betina say boys betina say o cafe bar no on the 26th o cafe bar no jowlo into no ochina meka girls no if you man kwa agire mu bi Saliman jide mu bi squad wo papa boys no so minim dan the Dusty River damara na ekuku dam presenters awo fi hade no 26th obatina say o cafe bar no was one come abro boss Bronya no roko afemu nyina za nyame ayam ho na zi nyina no obaka catch we hen live from cafe bar no na Friday no Thanksgiving no sanyame ensani fi hade ya nyame onye ensani osanda Friday no yes o sort kasepa zibaka kan manyan kopo yaze nanda say baka kan man into no Friday no onya asam kakra ba so onyo so kachire into no nkwaso
nini haba
pada me kache one day we got them
oh yes
December yenye warizi Bronya no into no yerosordo
na ye beda wase se ye to ye nsafre wo wonso wabara wabehye enmunya abema ene ede ntima me
se yenko hwemula
yenko hwemra
so yenko hwemula
pacho lastly no say obi pe Krymi me numbers number to social media platforms but metumu so
obetimi cause
man back your friend Amanziba Fifi Smith the voice there obe receive kama na yahye ne ye the number is 0244 626940 0244 626940 because among for friend there Krymi sometimes we want to call your way but
so no say Krymi na number is na wa bo ato hon mama so no me